Are you interested in making money online? Have you considered affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a popular way to earn money online by promoting products and earning a commission for each sale you make. It's a great way to monetize your social media following, blog, or website. So how do you get started with affiliate marketing? First, you need to find an affiliate program that aligns with your niche or audience. You can do this by searching for products that are relevant to your website or social media platform. Once you find a program that you're interested in, sign up and start promoting their products. Create content that is relevant to the product you are promoting. You can write reviews, create tutorials, or share your personal experience with the product. Include your unique affiliate link in your content, so that when someone clicks on it and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. The more people that purchase through your affiliate link, the more money you can earn. Most affiliate programs provide you with tracking tools, so you can monitor your sales and earnings. Remember that affiliate marketing takes time and effort, but it can be a great way to earn passive income online. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for an affiliate program today and start earning money doing what you love. Thanks for watching, and happy affiliate marketing!